Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Happy Color application using your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started. Launch Open Happy Color application from your app drawer. Once the application reaches its home page, get to the top right hand corner and tap on the gear icon. This will then bring up the settings menu, from where select General. Now tap on Logout at the bottom of the screen and then select Logout one more time to confirm. Soon after you confirm logging out, you have successfully logged out of your Happy Color account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.